Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Lloyds Bank Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Lloyds Bank Business Account Review My Usage Experience offers an annual review of your business account with Lloyds Bank, analyzing your spending habits and providing insights to help optimize your financial management. It's targeted at small business owners and freelancers who want a clearer picture of their financial performance. Key features include spending categorization, trend analysis, and potentially personalized recommendations for better financial practices. Their website provides details on accessing the review. Their website clearly outlines the process and what to expect from the review. They emphasize the service is free as part of their business banking package, highlighting its value proposition. There's no mention of specific technology used, but the process is entirely online, making it convenient. Availability is naturally tied to holding a Lloyds Bank business account. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Lloyds Bank Business Account Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply logged into my online banking and found the review section under Account Management. The interface was clean and intuitive, with clear charts and graphs summarizing my spending over the past year. I could easily drill down into specific categories, like marketing or office supplies, to see exactly where my money went. The performance was excellent, the report generated quickly and the data was accurate. I was particularly impressed by the way it automatically categorized my transactions. I had a quick question about interpreting one of the charts and their support responded within 2 days via email. A standout feature was the projection tool, allowing me to forecast expenses based on my past spending. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Accessing the report was easier on a desktop. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It provided valuable insights into my business finances and helped me identify areas where I could improve my spending habits. It's a helpful tool and I plan to use it every year. That's my overview of Lloyds Bank Business Account Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.